Hello everyone. I hope you're doing great. If you're already here, you know that summers are almost gone. It's raining every day and winters are just around the corner. If you're packing your bags, again, it's a reminder. Do remember to pack your jackets. And I also have a video that tells you things that you should definitely pack before you're coming here. You can refer to that video. Today what we're going to talk about is a lot of you are looking for a home. Some of you must have got one by now. If not, don't worry, you'll get it soon. I'm going to talk about a checklist today. What are the things you should remember, you should definitely do once you shift into your own home. So let's see. Number 1, apply for your council tax redemption. Even if you're a student and eligible for 100% redemption, it is important for you to apply for the redemption on Dundee Council website or in any other council, whichever council is applicable for you. I already have a video on that. You can go take a look, and do remember that you have to apply for the redemption. Number 2, if you're shifting in with a family or with your friend or roommate, do remember that your electricity and gas bill, if they're not inclusive in your rent, you have to change them into your name. This also acts as your address proof going forward. So do remember to call and change the gas and electricity in your name or your flatmate's name. If you're family, then you can decide either one of the spouse can have it in their name, and that also ensures that you pay from the date where you move in. So you call them, you tell them the move-in date, and they will reset the meter accordingly. So if there are any dues, which generally are not there, but if in case there are dues from the previous tenant, you won't be liable to pay them. Third and the most important thing, which you were not able to do till now, is to go for a bank account now. You can now apply for a bank account. I have a video on bank account as well. As I told you, you can initially go for Monzo, and now that you're shifting into your own house, you can apply for banks like HSBC and Bank of Scotland. The process, the entire thing, documents required, I've already mentioned in my video. You can go and take a look at it. But before you go ahead and apply for your bank account, make sure you have your matriculation letter and your address is updated on matriculation letter. If you are from University of Dundee, this can be done on eVision. You can update your address on your own and then download the letter from there. And there's a bank letter available as well. So this is what you will need from university once you're going in to apply. If internet connection is not inclusive in your rent and you are shifting into a house where there's no internet, then apply for an internet connection. Usually if your electricity and gas is not inclusive, you don't even get the internet. Again, I spoke about the internet connections in one of the videos where I was talking about expenses, monthly expenses in UK. You can go and refer to that. I will also try and make a specific video on this. For now, just put it in your checklist that you have to apply for an internet connection as well. And as I said before, that you will need a bank letter. Even in your matriculation letter, your address is mentioned. Do remember to update your semester address in university records. If you plan to watch live TV, live matches, soccer match, cricket match, live news, if you have plans to watch anything live, you need a license here. So sometimes you get a package deal with your internet for the TV license. You can, however, buy a TV license separately as well. So if you have plans to watch live TV, please make sure that you apply for a TV license. If you're with family and you have kids, then now is the time that you should look at the encatchment area of the schools, figure out which school is in your encatchment area, and go and apply for your child's admission. What you have to do, one, if you're applying from the beginning of a session, you can go on a council website and apply for same. If you are coming in middle of a session, which is generally for most of us, because session starts here in August. So if you're coming in middle of a session, what you have to do is to go to the school. They'll give you a form, fill up a form. You'll need child's birth certificate and your address proof, and hence the process will start. If there is a seat in a school, they will give you an admission in 1 or 2 days, or they will send your application to the council if in case there is no seat available in that particular school. So start the process as soon as you get your address proof. Last but not the least is your national insurance number, NI number. So even if you're planning to work on and off in university, or you plan to take any part-time job where you will not get cash in hand, you'll be paid in your bank account, NI number is very important. So earlier it used to take ages for NI number to come. Now it's pretty simple. You have to apply it online. I am going to make a video next on what is NI number, why do you need it, and how do you apply for it. For now, again, like I said, put it in your checklist as one of the important things. Apply for national insurance number. That will be all for today. I hope it was helpful, and it does happen that after the stress of finding a house, we tend to relax at times, we tend to miss things. So having a checklist is a very good idea, because if you miss council tax redemption or you miss your TV license, this may attract a lot of penalty, which definitely none of us would like to go for. So take care. Keep this checklist handy. I hope this helps you. I'm going to see you again in my next video. I'm going to talk about national insurance, how to apply, and the entire process. If there is anything else you need guidance on, since a lot of you have just shifted into city, or you're coming in December intake, as I say, please put it in the comment box. I'll make a video for you so that you have all the information you need. Like, subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye for now.